welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lizette. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. I've been posting consistently lately, and I'm so proud of myself. And also, I don't look horrible. So today I am going to the beach with my friend. She invited me. Her family's going to the beach, and she invited me to come and join. So I am gonna do that. I'm gonna go and join. It's very hot.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
There's literally like no one on campus. So yeah, I am trying to open this. I am making my mom a coffee, and I'm also making myself a coffee. Life is great though.
Antimicrobiano, antiinflamatorio y
Amén.
antioxidante.
Estoy en México.
Pues esa me lastimo yo.
We're in Mexico, and I know I haven't filmed a lot. I just took off my makeup. I forgot my eyebrows though, and I have some mascara on. I'm trying to get used to vlogging while I'm here for Christmas. My grandma is right here. So is my mom. Love them. She feels great. She just had surgery and she feels great. She's doing great. So I'm getting my braces tightened. As you can see this, I'm gonna try and insert a picture of how it looked like before. And now it's like a big ass gap, and my bite is changing. I don't even know, but like, it matches. Alright, I'm gonna put them on. This is my fit. I have this shirt from Target, some Levi jeans, and some white pants.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,